Hey, if this fancy espresso machine seems intimidating, you're not alone. Here is how to become an expert. Pick out your mug of choice and have it close by. There's a cupboard and a trolley where community mugs live. The first thing to consider is if you want to make a single or double. This will impact each stage. Grab the portafilter that you want and head to the grinder. There are two settings, single or double. Push whichever one corresponds with the portafilter you've chosen. Do not touch the grind adjuster or timing buttons. If you think they need to be adjusted, please bring it to the community host's attention at reception. There is a small button right above the screw of the grinder. Hit that with the portafilter and the correct amount for either a single or double will automatically dispense. The next step is to tamp down the grinds using the tamper. Place the portafilter on either the pad for a double or cylinder for single for stability, and push down on the tamper until the handle bumps to the bottom. Now we move to the espresso machine and put the portafilter into place by starting with the handle to the left and screwing it in to the right. Next, hit either the single or double button on the left-hand side, depending on which you chose. The espresso should take 25 to 30 seconds to pour a complete shot, single or double. There should be a nice crema on top. If either of those seems off, let the community host know. If you're making an Americano, you can add hot water from the tea station, and then dress up your coffee as you like with cream, milk, and sweetener. If you're steaming milk for a latte or cappuccino, you can get that ready while the espresso pours. Grab the jug and your milk of choice. The more fat that's involved, the thicker and foamier your milk will get while steaming. Plant-based milks don't foam quite as well as full fat, but you can still coax some nice foam from them if you do it right. Use about half to 3/4 of the amount of milk as there is room in your mug. It expands quite a bit when steamed. For steamed milk, you want the steamer tip to be right in the middle of the steaming jug. For more foam, you want the tip to be right near the top of the milk, moving it as it expands. Have your hand on the side of the steamer. When it is too hot for your hand, it's done. Lightly tap the steamer on the counter and swirl to get the ideal foam situation. Pour the steamed milk or foam into your mug, trying for some latte art if you dare. Rinse out the milk steamer in the rinser to the left of the espresso machine. Then clean out the portafilter by knocking the espresso puck into the knockbox. Use the small brush and the stop button on the espresso machine to clean it fully before placing it back on the top of the machine. Enjoy your fancy coffee.